Have you ever asked yourself how to make someone fall in love with you? Is love just a coincidence, or can it be consciously created? Today, we're going to reveal secrets that are scientifically and psychologically proven. But before anything else, let's hear a true story that shows how a relationship can grow from a simple friendship into deep love. The beginning of their connection. Armin and Nazanin were colleagues. They worked in the same office every day, but there was never anything more than a professional relationship between them. Armin always thought that Nazanin had no interest in him, but he was wrong. Because unknowingly, Nazanin was drawn to the things that Armin was doing right, things that you can also use to your advantage. Body language is the first thing people notice. Armin always smiled, maintained eye contact while speaking, and used open gestures that made him appear trustworthy and friendly. Without realizing it, Nazanin saw these behaviors as signs of confidence and attractiveness. When Nazanin talked about her problems, Armin didn't just listen, he really listened. He maintained eye contact, nodded his head, and sometimes responded with phrases like "I can see how hard that must have been for you." This made Nazanin feel that Armin truly understood her. But an interesting point was that Armin was not always available. He had his own life, his own hobbies, and he didn't put Nazanin at the center of his attention all the time. This made Nazanin think about him more and want to spend more time with him. Gradually, Nazanin realized that she was always waiting to hear what Armin would say. She felt excited whenever she got to talk to him, and one day, when she saw Armin chatting with someone else, a small feeling of jealousy sparked in her heart, and that was the moment she realized her feelings for Armin had changed. Why did this happen? Because Armin had unknowingly used the priming effect. They had shared many positive and pleasant experiences together, at work parties, during funny moments, and even while collaborating on projects. Nazanin's mind had subconsciously linked Armin with these good feelings. One day, when they were talking about movies, Nazanin discovered that Armin loved the exact same film that she had watched countless times. This shared interest created a sense of connection and understanding, making their bond even deeper. After months of getting to know each other, one day, Nazanin realized how close she had become to Armin. She found herself thinking about him more and more. Without even intending to, she had fallen in love. But who had created this love? Armin, not by begging for attention or trying too hard, but by behaving the right way, being patient, and applying the principles we've learned today. Love isn't some magical event that happens suddenly. It is the result of a series of small interactions, shared emotions, and mutual understanding. If you want to make someone fall in love with you, don't try to force them. Instead, make them want to fall in love with you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Until the next video, take care!